Hey YouTube, welcome back this week. This week we're going to do something really simple. Sometimes you come home from work, you don't have time for a big meal, so this week we're going to do some smoked Gouda burger dogs. We're going to smoke them for about 20 minutes, then grill them. So we're going to use the Weber Smoky Mountain today as a grill with some lump charcoal and some mesquite wood. So take a look here. Basic ingredients, we got some 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to dice up some of this onion. We got some hotly smoked Gouda cheese, and then a little bit of seasonings to put on the burger. I'll list what I put there, but just a basic seasoning to give the burger a little bit more zing. So we'll bring you back here shortly as we start to kind of pat these out into a burger form. We're going to put the cheese in the burger, hence the burger dog. Be back in a bit. Okay, y'all, we're back. So what we got now, we got everything laid out here. We got our burger. We took 1.5 pounds of burger and broke it up into almost 1/3 pounders here. We got our seasoning and some cheese. I cut that cheese, as you can see, about a little over a 1/4 inch wide. A little over a 1/4 inch wide there. We're going to put a piece. I got one patted out. I'm going to do the other ones on camera. So we're just going to lay a piece in there. Sprinkle a little seasoning on there. And we're going to wrap this thing up. Pinch off the ends so your cheese don't run out. I'm using some wax paper here so I can kind of roll it back and forth here. Sprinkle a little more seasoning on there. Roll it over, a little more seasoning. Okay, so that's what they're going to look like when we get them all done. The cheese is in there, I got it rolled tight, so hopefully the cheese doesn't run out. Got a little seasoning on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do these other ones so you can see those. Okay, we'll go ahead and fire up the Weber Smoky Mountain. We're going to use it as a grill today, as I said, to cook these up. These are going to be good. We've got some big old brat and sausage buns to put these on, so I'll bring you back once we throw them on the grill. Okay guys, these are done. We're just going to plate them up on some nice big fat buns. As you can see, you can add mustard, barbecue sauce. This has barbecue. The other two do not have barbecue. Just wanted to see how the flavor would taste. You can see some of the Gouda cheese was oozing out, but for the most part, most of it stayed in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little mustard on this one, and then we're going to taste this. Take a look at that. That's going to be good. Okay everybody, we got this smoked Gouda burger dog bunned up. My wife made some cheesy ranch potatoes to go along with it, so I'm going to give this a taste. Good size there. That's a mouthful. That cheese in there stayed in there really good. Good smoky flavor. I love that mesquite with beef. Got some onion. Oh, that's good. Folks, that's something simple you could do on a weeknight. It actually took me about 40 minutes to get that done. It's something simple. You got the cheese, the onion, the burger. You make that up on a weeknight once you get home from work. Easy peasy. Good stuff. Hey, if you all like this stuff, give me a thumbs up. Check out my channel, check out my other videos, share them with your friends and family. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, reach down there and click that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. You guys have a good night. See you.